In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set access and permissions in your hierarchy in Clickup. Start by navigating to the list where you want to manage access. In Clickup, permissions can be set at different levels of the hierarchy, like spaces, folders, and lists. A helpful thing to remember is that permissions tend to flow downward, meaning settings you choose higher up can affect everything underneath. Once you are in the right area, open the space level controls by clicking All Space Settings. This is where you can manage broader rules that apply across the space, rather than changing access one item at a time. Next, find and click Default Permission. This setting controls the baseline level of access people have when they are working within this space. Choosing the right default helps you avoid constantly fixing access later, especially as new folders, lists, and tasks are created. Now select Full Edit. Full Edit generally means people can create and edit work, move items, and manage day-to-day changes without restrictions. After selecting it, confirm Full Edit again when Clickup prompts you, so the default permission is clearly set. After that, continue through the settings by clicking the highlighted options in the panel as shown. This is simply moving through the available configuration sections so you can reach the next area you need. Next, click Task Statuses. This is where you control the workflow labels for tasks in this space, like what stages tasks move through as work progresses. These settings matter because they help keep your team consistent, and they can also impact what people are able to do if their permissions are limited. Click through the remaining highlighted areas to review the settings that appear on screen, and make sure everything matches how you want this space to operate. Take your time here because space settings can affect many lists and tasks underneath due to the hierarchy waterfall effect. Finally, click Save Changes to apply everything. This ensures your updated default permission and related settings are locked in and active for the space. That covers everything you need to know.